Hello, my name is Caitlin, and I'm one of the math and science teachers at Shine In Math Academy. What I love about teaching here is the flexibility to connect with students no matter where they are. It's incredible to see them light up when they understand a new concept, and I love that I get to be there every step of the way. We use interactive tools and real-time feedback, so even though we're not in the same room, it still feels like a personal connection. And honestly, seeing my students grow academically and build confidence is what makes teaching so rewarding for me.